how to sell your crypto on Coinbase. Now, if you've purchased a handful amount of cryptocurrency and then now you decide that you would like to sell it, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Coinbase application. Once you launch the Coinbase app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now, to sell, if you have any sort of crypto that you bought or now you decided you want to sell it, you can see the option that says buy and sell. Just tap on the buy and sell option. You can see many options, but you have to simply go to the one that says sell. Once you tap on the sell option, if you have got any sort of assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, USDT or anything, you'll be able to select that and you can select how much of it you want to sell. After you do that and you confirm the transaction, you would have sold your crypto on Coinbase. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically sell your crypto on Coinbase. I hope that this video pretty much helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.